Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Shopify store. I've put a link down in the description to sign up for Shopify. So if you're interested, feel free to check it out. So in order to do this, first of all, open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar, type in Shopify, hit enter, and you will see some search results. From these search results, you'll have to click on the one that says shopify.com and you'll be navigated to this Shopify page. On this page, you will see a start free trial button. You can get 3 days for free. You can learn a little about Shopify on this page if you don't know anything. Now in order to start creating our store, we'll have to click on this start free trial button at the top right. And you'll be promoted to this page. This page says start your free trial. You can sign up on Shopify, that is, create an account on Shopify using email, Google, Apple or Facebook. So I'll click on sign up with email. Now enter the email with which you want to create your Shopify account. Now enter the email with which you want to create a Shopify store. Create a strong password and click on create Shopify account. After this, you'll be promoted to this page that says let's get started. Here you'll have to choose where would you like to sell, whether it's going to be an online store, in person at retail store, in person at events, existing website or blog, social media or online marketplace. So choose any one of these. I'm going to choose online store. Click on next. Now choose which one describes you best, whether you're a beginner or already selling. I'll choose I'm a beginner. Now choose what do you sell, whether it is product that you buy or make yourself, whether it's digital products, drop shipping products, services or print on demand products. So choose according to your preference and click on get started. Now choose which plan do you want to try. You can click on I'll decide later or choose any one of these plans. Click on try under that plan and buy that plan. Now I will click on I'll decide later and I'll be automatically promoted to my Shopify dashboard. So this is Shopify's dashboard. Here I will have this home, order, products, customers and a list of options at the left of the screen using which I can navigate Shopify. So this is the online store button. If you click on view your online store icon, that is an eye icon, your store will appear. So you get an already created Shopify store when you log into your account. This will be totally blank. There will be no products and nothing available. So in order to create and customize your store, you'll have to first of all add products. This is the first step. So you can click on add products here or navigate to the product section, click on add products, or if you already have a product file, you can import it. So we'll name this product digital NFT. So this is the title of this product. Now in the description, you can click on generate text and type in the features and keywords for your product and click on generate. After this, Shopify's AI will generate a description. You can click on keep and you have a description for your product. Now in the media section, click on the upload new button and this is going to open up your PC's directory. Navigate to your product's image and click on open. Now after uploading the product's image, you'll have to enter the pricing for this product. So I'll enter the pricing. You can also choose the cost per item for this product. You can compare it at a price and to display a markdown, you can enter a value higher than your price. That is often shown through a strike through. Now scroll down and navigate to inventory section. You can choose to track inventory and if you don't want it, simply uncheck this box. Navigate to shipping section and choose whether this is a physical product or not. If it is, enter the weight of that product. So my product isn't physical. I will uncheck this box. Now you can add options like size or color for your products. Click on this button and choose create custom option and enter the option name. For example, I'll enter color, choose add a value. So I'll have red color for my product, blue color for my product and green color for my product. Now I'll click on done and I have all these variants for my product available to display. As you can see, this is the search engine listing for my product that is going to appear whenever someone is going to search for my product on Google. You can click on edit and enter the page title, meta description and edit the page title, meta description and the URL handle for your product. Now click on save after editing this, scroll at the top and we have our first product available. You can click on view your online store and as you can see, you'll have your first product available here. But this store is looking incomplete. So we are going to head over to the online store section. This is online store. Click on it and you'll be navigated to your themes section. Now you can click on customize and you'll be automatically navigated to your Shopify editing section. Here you can edit your Shopify's store. We have all these tools that we are going to explore, but we can click on exit, navigate back to this themes page, and here you can choose various kind of templates, that is an already created Shopify store that you can try. So you can try among any one of these or click on visit theme store, and here you can choose what kind of template you want. You have all these industry, so you can choose among all these kind of filters and get a template that suits your site, or you can just go back, choose any one of these that are free, click on try theme, and this exact theme will be applied to your Shopify's store. Now, as you can see, when I clicked on that button, it automatically prompted me to this Wix Shopify editing section. Now in this template section, you get the option of sections, theme settings, and app embeds. Click on sections and you will see all the sections that will be available for your page. So this is header, that is the top section of your store. It has announcement bar, a header. Now you can add a block and add a section under header. Now the second section is template. It will be the main section of your website, that is the body. You also have the footer, that is the last section of your store. So we have this product available here. Now you can click on the header and you will see all the option to edit this header. You can change the color scheme, navigate to color, click on edit scheme and choose another color for your background. You can cut this out, go back, click on change, select another scheme and your Shopify's header will be changed. Now this says my store. We'll have to edit this text and add our store name. Now you can change your menu, click on change and you can remove the menu or change the menu. You can choose what kind of menu type you want, whether it is going to be a drop down, mega menu, drawer or anything else. You can change the color scheme as I showed. Now navigate to this section. This is image with text section. Here, when you click on this, you can change the image that is available here. Click on select image. It's going to pop up this window. In this window, click on add images, choose an image of your product that you want for your site or just choose the previously uploaded image and click on done. Now, this will be our product. It is shown like this. Now, this is the text that is the heading of our product. So we'll name it pizza. Now we'll click on this button and edit this button label. It says shop all. We'll name this get pizza. Now whenever someone is going to click on this button, they'll be navigated to this product page. You can add more sections if you want. Just click on this small plus icon under any section, that is add section. Now you can choose what kind of section you want, whether you want to add simple text, an image with text, that is this section, image banner, or a slideshow of your image, collage, multi-column, multi-row, email sign up, or a contact form, video, or blog post of your product. So you can use all these sections to enhance your website's appeal. For example, you can add email sign up and that section will be added here. Now you can edit all these texts and collect your customers' email for sending them more marketing tips and new updates for your product. You can also click on any section, scroll down, click on the change option under color scheme, choose another color scheme for that section. You can do the same with all of these. And as you can see, my website is looking better than before. You can edit your site anyhow you want. In this section, click on the mobile option at the top and see how your Shopify's website is going to look like on mobile phone. It's looking good. Now you can navigate back to desktop, click on the save button at the top right. After you click on save, you can click on publish and as you can see your password page is enabled. It can be disabled after publishing. So click on publish button. Now as you can see my website and store is successfully published and it is online. But it is password protected. To remove the password, you'll have to pick a plan. So click on pick a plan button. Choose any one of these plans. For example, if I click on select basic, I will have to compare those plans, select any one of these. I'll be navigated to this payment method page where I will have to choose a payment method, whether I'm going to use credit or debit card, PayPal or any other payment method. Then enter the payment credentials and click on subscribe. When I click on subscribe, my subscription for Shopify will be started and I can easily publish my website without password. You can simply click on view your online store and see how your online store is looking like. So it's looking pretty good. Now you can edit all the aspects of the site in the Shopify's website editor. So that was the simple way through which you can create a Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.